Gents, I know it's been a few weeks since the last video, but today we're going to be putting on these evening primrose. So as you can see, they've all grown really well. First of all, get your dibber like so, get underneath it so you get all the roots in one go. Let's have a look at this one. As you can see, let me show you there, get focused. See the roots there. I'm putting these up into these 9cm pots that I got off a well-known auction site. They only cost me 5p each from a garden centre. They've been used before, but they're absolutely perfect. So once you get your pot like so, hold on a minute, make sure you hold the plant by one of the main leaves so you don't damage the smaller leaves. So in like so, bit of compost around the edge, and then water them in. You want a little bit of water from the top, like so, and then place them in the sink and water them from the bottom. Once that's done, you want to be in an unheated greenhouse until the first frost has passed. So that's repotting these evening primrose. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up if you like. Thank you very much. Bye.